Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can view the account health on Tool4seller app. So for viewing the account health we just need to open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we just need to go to the function section. We can just see in the bottom, we can just see in the right side of the alert section, we can just see the functions right here. Just tap on the functions in right here. So when we reach the function section, we can just see the business analytics section. On that we can just see the more option. So just go to the more option on the business analytics. So in here we can just see the account health right here. So if you have an account connection, we can just see the account health right here. So this is where we're gonna view the account health on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.